trading is easier now because of these kind of free forex expert advisors that we are providing. So I am back with another free forex expert advisor, that is the AI King EA version 1.3 for 84 unlimited free download. Today I will show you the test results of this expert advisor that I am currently trading on one of my VP's $1,000 live accounts. And here you can see this is how this expert advisor's user interface looks like. It has taken a lot of trades here, and this is our expert advisor, and we are running it on the prestigious Euro USD pair, that is Euro against US dollar pair with the M15 time frame as recommended. And I am having here $73.75 of profit within the first few days. We started with this expert advisor on 17th of March, and today is 21st of March. So within this fourth trading day, we have had a very good amount of profit, almost 7% profit we have had. And here in this section I can show you the balance amount that I am currently having is $1,073.75. So let me show you now the entire history section that I have right here. We have 4 trades, and all of these trades have been closed with a very good amount of profit. This expert advisor is having a lot of lot sizes, like 0.70 is the first trade with $25.20 of profit. Again 0.62 and 0.41, 0.39 and 0.31. It has changed the lot sizes, and all the trades have been profitable till now. It's still the early days, but I can assure you this expert advisor is having a really good risk management. So if you want to give this expert advisor a try, just go for it. Try this expert advisor with Euro USD pair or GBP USD pair, and always use M15 time frame for optimal results. I'll share my input section in case you want to try this expert advisor with the same settings. Here are the parameters. You can just copy them, or else you can customize your settings according to your preferences and needs. So I'll upload the second part of this video with the 2 weeks of update of this particular expert advisor, that is the AI King EA version 1.3. So it is available on our official website fxcrack.org for free. It is a very good expert advisor and it's a limited time offer. So just go to our official website, select the quantity first, as much as you would like, add to cart your product. Here in the upper hand side right side corner, you will find your cart section. Just go to the cart, download the product and get started. Try this expert advisor on a $200 to $300 account and let us know about your trading experience in the comment section. Here is the backtesting performance of this EA. This is the EA file, and we have all the guidance given here, all the parameters you will need to know before leveraging this expert advisor in a real trade. So check this information out and join our official Telegram channel, that is YoForexPemia. This is our channel, this is our expert advisor, this is the original product link, this is our product's instant downloading link. So join this channel for more such free and profitable forex expert advisors. This is the joining link, and I have given this joining link in the description section of this video. So thank you so much for watching this video. Give this video a like, share it and subscribe our channel for more such expert advisor and indicators honest review videos. Thank you so much. Visit again.
Additionally, we can crack or unlock any expert advisor that you provide us via our official website yoforex.net or our official Telegram group @YoForexAsia. Link is given in the description section. We will give you a pricing to remove the comments, license timing or unlimited accounts for either MT5 or MT4 or both. Price of the MT5 is higher than the MT4. Thank you.